Hi guys, this is Alice from sewingathomemom.com. Welcome back to my channel. In today's sewing video, you can learn how to do a simple crotch repair. The overlock stitch that was joining the two pieces together popped and I got this broken seam instead. To do this repair, you will need sewing thread in the closest color possible of the garment you're fixing, scissors, and hand sewing needle. Thread the needle and make a knot at the end. Cut off any loose thread. Make sure to align the two fabrics and start sewing about ½ inch away from the hole. First stitch must secure the thread. To do so, insert the needle through the loop and pull. You can repeat that if you want to. Next, I will be using the blanket stitch technique, but I will make my stitches very close to each other to create well done seam that will look similar to the overlock stitch, the stitch that the search machine makes. You can check out my other video on how to sew a blanket stitch. I will put a link in the description below if you're interested. I don't need to be patching these pants as the hole is located on the seam, therefore there is no need for the patch. Continue stitching until you close the hole completely. Double check, make sure it looks neatly and well done. Secure the seam again by inserting the needle through the thread, through that loop, like we did in the beginning, and do this couple of times. Finally, cut off the remaining thread, and that is it. I repaired the holes in my sweatpants and they are looking beautiful again. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of the sewing tutorial. If you find this sewing lesson useful, please don't forget to show me your support by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Until next time, bye-bye!